Hello everybody, welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be making for you Chinese Char Siu Pork collar. The ingredients for today are brown sugar, Chinese 5 spice, honey, some red colouring, some dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, some Hoisin sauce and oil. So you can see it's going to be a nice, quick, easy recipe. And this is my pork collar. So I've got two nice big pieces. Right, so into this bowl, I'm going to put 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're going to put a teaspoon of the 5 spice. We're going to put a little bit of red colouring. This is a powder one. You can use the liquid one if you've got the liquid one. This is what's going to add the colour to the meat. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. So we've got 2 tablespoons of honey. We've got 1 tablespoon of oil. Any oil will do. Then I'm going to add some dark soy sauce, which is 2 tablespoons. One tablespoon of light soy sauce, and with the Hoisin sauce we're going to add about half a cup. So I'm just going to do this by eye. So we're going to use that about that much. So we're going to give this a stir to incorporate the ingredients. You can see it's a nice consistency, nice paste. Right, depending on the size of pork collars what you've got, or pork what you've got, you're going to need a plastic bag. So what we're going to do, we're going to get our pork collars. You can see these are nice big chunky pork collars. And you're just going to get a nice coating on there. So we've got a nice coating. And then with this now, well, once you've got a nice coating on it, you're going to put it in a plastic bag. Once you put that in a plastic bag, you can marinate it for up to 3 hours, but the longer you leave it is the better. So if you like our videos, like what we're doing, please like, share and subscribe. This helps our channel to grow. If you would like to sponsor one of our videos, just drop us a comment or drop us a thing, and you know, we can send you the link. So we've got that in the plastic bag. So like with this rest of the marinade now, we're just going to put that into the bag. So we've got our pork in the plastic bag. Just going to let the air out. And tie a knot. And there you have the pork in its marinade. You can just give it a little shake around if you want. So then I'm going to just put it back in the fridge and leave it for 3 hours, or if you want you can leave it for longer. Right everybody, we've got our meat, our pork colours, which has been marinating now. So we're just going to take them out and put them onto a rack, which is over a tray with some greaseproof paper at the bottom. So don't throw away your marinade because you're going to need that in a bit. So as you can see, that's nicely marinated. Right. So into a small saucepan, I'm going to put a little bit of the Hoisin sauce, a little of the red colouring, and some of the honey, and then we're going to transfer this marinade sauce into it as well. Right, as you can see, we've got our pork collars on a rack. This ain't the right size rack, so I've just used one what I use for my barbecues. Just put it over a tray with some greaseproof paper at the bottom. Then we're going to leave this open. We're going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Our oven's on gas mark 170, which is on the fan oven. Right, we're gonna light up this fire. In this pot I've got the marinade. I've put some honey and extra reddening in there. I'm just going to bring this camera forward a bit so you can see. Marinade, and put a little bit more onion and Hoisin in there. So this now, just gonna let this come to the boil for a couple of minutes to get a little bit thicker, and this is what we're going to use on our meat to make it. So again, if you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. If you want to leave a comment in the comment section. We would try and get back to you as soon as we can. If you would like to sponsor one of our cookouts, then please let us know and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Right, it's been in the oven now for 20 minutes, so we're just going to take it out carefully. As you can see, it's coming along nicely now, and with the glaze, what we've boiled this down to get it a little bit thicker, we're just going to brush it on. And if you feel like it's getting brown too quick, just cover it over with a bit of flour, which is what I'm going to do with this one. Just going to turn it over. I'm just going to put some foil over it and then put it back in for another 20 minutes, then I'll be doing the same again. So I'm going to put it back in for another 20 minutes. Remember to like, share and subscribe our videos so that we can add more content for you in the future. Right everybody, it's been another 20 minutes, so we're going to take it out again, have a look at it and do the same thing again. I'm just going to put some foil over it and then put it back in for another 20 minutes, then I'll be doing the same again. Right everybody, it's been another 20 minutes, so we're going to take it out again, have a look at it and do the same thing again. So as you can see, we're getting a nice glazing on it, and we're just going to glaze it again. Going to flip them over. Then we're going to leave the foil off this time. We're going to put it in for another 20 minutes. And that's going to be the final roast. So we'll see you in another 20 minutes. Right everybody, we're ready to take it out again. This is going to be the final taking out. As you can see, it's nice and glazed. Just going to put another glazing coat on it. And that will drip off of it. So next we're going to show you it plated up and how it looks. We'll show you that in a few minutes. Right everybody, this is how it looks plated up with rice and salad. I hope you like this video. If you like it, remember to like, share and subscribe. Share with your friends and tell your friends to tell their friends so that we can grow this channel onto bigger and better things. Thank you.